Now I'm going to walk you through the process for assembling the SRX2 and SRX3 headset. They have similar form factor, so we're going to focus on using the SRX3 for this video. As you can see, there's a variety of components that are put together to make up the headset. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you pull off the windscreen, which should be attached to the headband. That's used in this little clip mechanism for storage. We're then going to use this for the electronics module, which is right here, and that microphone windscreen is going to go on until you hear a click. It can only go on in one direction, so you'll figure out that it's this particular plastic piece, which will be on the outside of that. Next step you'd want to do is make sure that it has a battery properly attached. So you want to talk to your supervisor or obtain a battery that's fully charged for your shift. And again, it can only go into the rear of the electronics module in one direction. There's no way you can put it on upside down. So it just simply clicks in. And to release it, there are two levers right there which you can use to pull it apart. Next thing we want to do is we want to attach the electronics module to the headband through, there is a earpiece which only has a form factor with a tension bar in there which can hold in the electronics module. So we'll match up the mold and then press together, and that's how you assemble your headset.